Today we're going to be making double chocolate chip cookies. I haven't used this recipe before, so we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, it's Future Taylor here. I'm just editing the video now and I realised that I forgot to say that you need to preheat your oven before you start to 160 degrees Celsius and that you cook each tray for 15 minutes each. Okay, cool. Enjoy. I've already pre-measured everything out. So we've got 125 grams of butter at room temperature. And we've got half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then we've got 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. We have half a cup of cocoa, 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. That's what we're going to do, is we're going to add the butter and the sugars all in together, and we're going to mix them with the electric mixer until they're light and fluffy. Oh, it's not on. So yeah, you want it to be like light. It should all be mixed in together, no lumps or anything. So after you fully combine all the butter and the sugars, you want to add in your egg and your vanilla extract, and then put it back under the mixer again. Just want to mix the egg and the vanilla into the butter, sugar mixture until it's all combined, like that. So I'm just going to put the flour straight in, but then with the cocoa I'm going to sift it in. Once you've sifted all your cocoa and your flour in, you just want to fold it in. After you've combined all the flour and the cocoa in, it should look like your cookie dough. And then all you have to do is add your chocolate chips in, and then you just fold them through. Chocolate chips are combined into the mixture as well. You want to take 2 trays with your baking paper lined on them. You're going to grab 1 tablespoon and you're just going to roll it into a ball and stick it on the tray. So then once you've got them on the tray, make sure they're spread out a little bit, because obviously they're going to expand out and then cook. You can chuck them in the oven that you've preheated earlier. They take about 15 minutes and then I check on them. Basically while they're cooking, you can clean up. I let them cool a little bit on the tray and then we'll transfer them to the right. So then you just want to transfer them after they've hardened a little bit on the tray to a cooling rack to cool. Okay, do you want hot bucket? Whoa! You just went straight in. This is still pretty warm. Oh, shit! Bad. Nice. Would I make it again? Probably. Because it was really easy. Good. Dad, why you didn't give your verdict?
It's very nice, thank you. They're very good.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope all your baking went well. I don't know what to say.
Get on them or get out of town.